You know, it's amazing when you see that video to see all of these things that we have seen and done in the past, whether it is design or whether it is even retailing, and how they're being reshaped by this ability to stitch what is virtual and real. And this morning I had a chance, in fact, to meet a startup out of Italy that is working with Natuzzi to build out a complete augmented reality store. In fact, they just launched this store in New York. And in fact, they were describing how the sales in the store have now been increased by something like 30 to 40%. But the fascinating thing that they do is the following, which is you can go into a store, you can essentially envision what that furniture will look like in your home. But the interesting thing is, using this new service called the Azure Anchor service, you can bring your home even into the store. So it's not just about conceptualizing a bunch of furniture together, but you can in fact bridge what is two physical spaces into one and then put new objects in it. Right? I mean, think about it. It's mind-blowing to think about how you can start having real presence with people and places. Now, the interesting thing that they also do is they use dynamics. Now, for example, people talk about omni-channel commerce. In this context, omni-channel commerce includes even an augmented reality session. So when a customer walks into your augmented reality store and in fact builds their own essentially living room, the entire session is like a web session or a mobile application session, and you all have that information about exactly what the customers like, didn't like, what they chose. So that ability to have a very comprehensive commerce solution is fantastic to see. And again, the thing that is exciting to me is not just all this technology, but the fact that an Italian startup working with one of the most big brands in Italy were able to envision what to do with this technology to create that innovation. And that's what's exciting to see.